Is your ONN Roku TV remote not working? You're not alone. This is one of the most common frustrations with smart TVs. Today, we're breaking down why it happens and exactly how to fix it. Let's dive in. Step 1. Replace the batteries correctly. Remove the old batteries and insert brand new ones. Double-check the plus and minus orientation inside the battery compartment. Weak batteries can power the LED but still fail to send a strong enough signal. Step 2. Check line of sight. If your remote is an IR type, it must be pointed directly at the TV's IR sensor. Remove anything that may block the front of the TV. Try using the remote from a few feet away and directly in front of the TV. Step 3. Power cycle the TV. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, and wait about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on, then test the remote again. This clears temporary glitches that can make the TV stop responding. Step 4. Reset the remote. Take the batteries out of the remote. Then press and hold back plus home for about 20 seconds. Put the batteries back in and try again. If your remote is IR only, battery replacement and clear line of sight usually covers what a reset would fix. Step 5. Repair the remote. Open the battery compartment and find the pairing button. Press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing. Wait for the TV to show a pairing message and complete the connection. This is the main fix when the remote suddenly stops working after an update, reset, or disconnect. Step 6. Clean battery terminals. If the remote works intermittently or not at all, remove the batteries and inspect the metal contacts. If you see dirt or corrosion, gently clean the terminals and ensure the springs and contact plates are not flattened. Poor contact can prevent stable power delivery. Step 7. Use backup methods. If the remote still won't work, use the Roku mobile app on your phone. As long as your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as the TV, the app can function as a full remote. You can also use the physical buttons on the TV for basic control like power, volume, and input. Step 8. Replace the remote. If batteries, power cycle, reset, and pairing don't restore control, the remote may be faulty or the TV sensor may be failing. At that point, use a compatible replacement Roku remote, a universal remote that supports Roku TV control, or contact support if your device is under warranty.